shed.
You know, these two bedside cabinets may look unloved and unwanted, but with the right tools, we can make them useful again. With the right tools and enough determination, you too can turn unused furniture into fire.
The use of fire must be carried out in a completely safe and controlled environment. Any wooden furniture will do, although it is best to steer clear of burning chipboards as the glue may contain substances hazardous to health. But if done correctly, fire can provide a great source of heat.
This old unloved violin case came into the shed last week looking for a new life. Certainly had a hell of a ride. But although it may look tatty, we can still get some use out of this case if we fix it with fire.
Fixing items with fire is not recommended if you're planning on using the items again, but it is a very effective decluttering method. Join us next week on Repair Shed, where we'll be fixing more items.